Good afternoon, my name is Duane and I am an investigator in the Brain Tumor Center over at Duke University. And I want to talk to you briefly about the importance of donating for pediatric brain tumor research and how that money is actually used to advance an understanding and a cure for children with brain tumors. And so many people may or may not be aware that research in developing new treatments for children with brain tumors takes quite a bit of time to develop and quite a bit of resources to really conduct the experiments and test out approaches to treating these tumors that may be more effective ultimately in the clinic. And at the beginning of trying to develop these new therapies, we're very often exploring new ideas, new hypotheses about how we may attack these cancers. And getting funding for doing those initial studies is something that's very difficult to come by. And so most of, at least for our work in general, of the early studies are really funded through private donations and organizations like the Pediatric Brain Tumor Foundation that really do focus on funding research specifically for pediatric brain tumors, and very often funding promising ideas at the early stages where there really may not be enough data yet or enough known yet to go for some of the larger funding sources from the federal government. And so outside of the federal government, the Pediatric Brain Tumor Foundation is actually the largest supporter of pediatric research for brain tumors, and they are single-handedly raise more money than any other organization for developing new treatments in this arena. So I encourage you, whether it's a little bit, every little bit of donation makes a huge difference in the lives of children with brain tumors and brings us closer to the day when we will no longer have to do this research because we will hopefully have found the cures. So thank you.